3, 2, 1. Welcome to Wealthy Mindset, your go-to personal finance channel. We are going to talk about what budgeting is, why it's important, and how to create a budget that works for you. What is budgeting? Budgeting is simply the process of tracking your income and expenses so that you can see where your money is going. It's a great way to stay on top of your finance and make sure you are not overspending. Why is budgeting important? There are a few reasons why budgeting is important. First, it can help you to save money. When you know where your money is going, you are less likely to overspend and more likely to save for your future goals. Second, budgeting can help you avoid debt. Debt can be a major financial burden, so it's this important to learn how to manage your debt and pay it off as quickly as possible. Third, budgeting can help you reach your financial goals. Whatever you are saving for down payment on a house, retirement, or something else, budgeting can help you get there. How to create a budget? There are a few different ways to create a budget. One way is to use a budgeting app or software. These apps can help you track your income and expenses, and they can also help you create a budget that works for you. Another way to create a budget is to use a spreadsheet. This is a more manual approach, but it can be just as effective, no matter which method you choose. There are a few key things to keep in mind when creating a budget. First, you need to track your income and expenses. This will give you a good idea of where your money is going. Second, you need to set goals for yourself. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Do you want to save money, pay off debt, or both? Third, you need to create a plan. How are you going to reach your goals? What are you going to do to cut back your expenses? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon. If you have any questions, leave the comment below.